Hey kids, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. In this video, we will start with second standard English. Okay, so we have already started with EVS, yes? So in which we have finished 8 lessons. Okay, so today onwards we will start with English. So in English, you will be having units. In each unit, you will have a lesson and a poem. Okay, so today we will start with the first unit, which is having a lesson called as Raksha Bandhan and a poem called as Rakhi Day is Righteous Day. Okay, kids? So you also read along with me. The lesson name is Raksha Bandhan. Poem name is Rakhi Day is Righteous Day. Okay, kids. So whenever I will be reading the lesson and the poem, you also try to read along with me. Okay? So, Unit 1, let us begin. My sister and me. This is a small poem they are given before starting the lesson. Okay. We laugh, we cry, we make time fly. Best friends are we, my sister and me. So here they are talking about a sister and brother. Both of us will be laughing, crying, and also we will play. We are best friends, yes? So they're talking about the brother and sister relationship, okay? So now let us start with the lesson. So whenever I will be reading, you also read along with me, okay? So lesson name is what? Raksha Bandhan. Okay, Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. So kids, this is a festival which we can see in North India. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. So in this Raksha Bandhan, what it will showcase? It will showcase the love and affection between the brother and a sister. Yes? Now, we will see the history of Raksha Bandhan. Okay? In the epic Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. So, children, in Mahabharata, this Raksha Bandhan, this type of relation was seen between whom and whom? Krishna and Draupadi. Okay. When Krishna's wrist bled from a wound, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk sari and tied it round his wrist. So what happened that time is when Krishna was wounded. Okay, so he was bleeding. So that time Draupadi tore a silk sari and tied that sari to the wrist of Krishna. Okay, he was so touched by her act that he vowed to protect her as he took her to be his sister from that moment. So by seeing that Krishna took a vow. Vow means he made promise to himself that he will protect her from now onwards. Because from that moment he considered her to be his sister. Okay. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. So this Raksha Bandhan, it is celebrated during Shravana. Okay. Let us read. Two girls meet on the street while going to the market. Okay, so what happens? There's one more story. There are two girls who will meet on going to the market. Let us know what they talk. Okay, let us know what they will talk. There are two girls named Vani and Suma. Okay, so Vani says, "Hi Suma, where are you going?" Suma says, "I am going to the market." to buy Rakis. So here two girls will meet on the road, Vani and Suma. So Vani will ask Suma that, "Hi Suma, where are you going?" Then Suma replies, "I am going to the market." For what she is going? To buy Rakis. Understood? Okay. Next Vani asks, "What is a Raki?" Suma says, "It is a symbol of love and affection. It strengthens the bond between brothers, sisters, and cousins. A Rakhi is made of thread and it is beautiful and it is colorful. Look, I have brought some with me." So now Vani will ask Suma that, "What is Rakhi?" So Suma says, "Rakhi is nothing but it shows the love between the brothers and sisters, and also it will increase the bond between the brothers and sisters. And this Rakhi is made up of thread. It is made up of thread and it is colorful Rakis. Hope you may have seen kids. Rakis, yes? So the Suma will show some Rakis to Vani. Vani, what do you do with that? Suma, I tie it on to the right wrist of my brother and friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. So Vani will ask, "What you will do that, Raki?" So Suma says, "I will take this and tie it to my brother's wrist." Okay? And also I will tie it to my friends. So now, Vani will ask, "Why do you do that?" So क्यों करते हो ऐसा? Suma says, tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. तो जो हम राखी बांधते हैं ना उसे क्या बोलते हैं? रक्षा बंधन बोलते हैं. It is believed that the person who is presented with a Rakhi promises to protect the sister. So यहाँ पर माना जाता है कि जो भी ये राखी बांध लेगा वो क्या करता है? He will promises to himself to protect the sister. Affection between brothers and sisters is thus established. So by celebrating this festival, there will be a bond developed between a sister and a brother. Vani will ask, "Please tell me more about it and I will also celebrate the festival." तो यहाँ पर वानी को बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो को और भी बताओ ये राखी के बारे में, रक्षाबंधन के बारे में. मैं भी सेलिब्रेट करूंगी ये रक्षाबंधन कर को सुमा को बोलते हैं. तो सुमा जवाब देती है, सुमा, Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. Sisters carry sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. They tie Rakhi round the wrist of the brother and give sweets. The brothers give gifts or money to the sisters in return. Okay. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है? रक्षाबंधन को हम हर साल श्रावण के महीने में मनाया जाता है. That time what we will do? We will be carrying sweets in a plate and also Rakhi, and we will tie the Rakhi round the wrist of the brother and will also give sweets to our brothers. And the brothers will give some gifts or money to the sisters in return. Okay, Vani, fine, thank you. I will also buy some Rakis and tie them on my brother's wrist. तो ये सुनकर वानी भी क्या बोलते हैं? Thank you. I will also buy some Rakis and tie to my brother. तो I hope you understood. Okay, so let us see some new words which we saw in the lesson. What is that? Affection. Affection बोले तो liking or love. Tie. Tie means to hold two or more things together using strings. Celebrate. Celebrate बोले तो मनाया जाना. To show that a day is important by doing something special. Carry, to take things from one place to another Yes or no? You will be carrying your bag from home to school, from school to home. Yes. Protect, keep secure, give safety. Arti, you may know this Arti. Yes. Okay. Now complete the sentences using words from brackets. Seema and Vani are dash Rakis on a plate. So the answer is carrying. The answer is carrying. Okay. They want to dash Raksha Bandhan festival with their cousins. They want to celebrate. They want to celebrate Raksha Bandhan festival with their cousins. The brothers promise to dash their sisters. The brothers promise to protect their sisters. Dash binds the siblings together. Affection binds the siblings together. Okay, kids? Then answer the questions orally. What did Draupadi do to Krishna's wound? So, I already told this answer, yes. So, Draupadi tore the silk sari and tied it to the wrist of Krishna. Yes or no? It is orally, no need to write the answer. You can simply read the answer in the textbook. Okay. In which part of India is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? So kids, read the lesson and try to find the answer for these two questions. Okay. So let us move on to the next one. Answer the following in a word or a phrase each. So you can answer for these questions in a word or in a sentence. Okay. Where is Suma going? Suma is going to market. Yes. What does she want to buy? She want to buy Rakis. Yes. When is affection and love established? When a person tie the Rakhi to his or her sister, then affection and love established. Okay. Answer the following in a sentence or two in your notebook. What do the sisters carry in a plate? Sisters carry sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. Okay. What do the brothers promise their sisters? Brothers promises to protect their sisters. Okay. So there is one question, that is, which one is more important part of the festival? Gift, promise or affection? You can discuss this. Okay. Next, match the following. So, carrying. Where you can see carrying out of these three pictures? So, this is what? Carrying. Tying. This one is tying. Celebrating is this one. Understood? Okay. Pair the words and read them aloud. One is done for you. Okay, here you have to pair them. Like here, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, like that. There are some words given. You have to choose the words and pair them. So who is this person? Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. Understood? I will read once again. Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. Understood? Now, see the picture and complete the sentences. One is done for you. So the first sentence is an example. Vijay is taking his sister to the hospital. So same way you have to fill in these blanks. Seema is tying a Rakhi to her brother. Vishal is giving a gift to Sarala. Okay. I am carrying a bag to school. Understood? Now, let us learn to use between. So kids, now we will see how to use between. Okay. So now, for example, the girls are bringing the plate, keeping the Rakhi between the lamps. So here you can see there are two lamps. In between, you have Rakhi. Yes. Okay, the same way. The school is between the two trees. Yes or no? One tree, second tree. In between, the school is there. Understood? Now, Sumana is sitting between the steering and the seat. Yes or no? So, this is the steering. This is the seat. Between who is sitting? Sumana. Okay. There is a puppy between the two dogs. So, this is one dog, two dogs. So, between these two dogs, we have a puppy. Okay. Now, kids, you have to read these words. Buy, tie, fly, try, ear, hear, fear, tear. I will read once again. Buy, tie, fly, try, ear, hear, fear, tear. Okay. Now, choose the words from the box and complete the sentences. The sister ties Rakhi to the brother. The brother gives gift to the sister. I celebrate Rakhi festival. I give sweets to all. Okay, now kids, we will see how to make singular word into plural by adding yes. Okay. Example, plate. If you have only one plate, you will say it as a plate. But if you have more than one, you will say plates. Okay. Same here. There is one brother. So I am writing brother. If there are more than one, I will say brothers. Same with sister. If there are more than one sister, you will say sisters. Okay. Hand, hands. Month, months. Clear with this? Okay. So these are what? Singular words, and these are plural words. Clear with that? Moving on. Look at the picture and write the words in the space provided. For example, what is this? It is gift. And what is this, kids? It is a plate. And what is this? It is Rakhi. And this is what wrist we call. The complete part is hand. And these are fingers. Okay. This is what? This is wrist. Understood? Okay. Choose one word from each box and make as many sentences as you can. So you have to choose one word from each box. Example, they have given she buys sweets. The same way we can say she ties Rakis. She buy Rakis. He buys sweets. Now, fill in the boxes with opposite words. One is done for you. So we have to write opposite word of these words. Okay. So kids, one more thing. Opposite words will be denoting as like this. Okay. Hot, cold. High, low. Give, take. Low, high. Sweet, bitter, take, give. Understood? These are what? Opposite words. Understood? Next, complete the word wheel by choosing the correct letters from the box. One is done for you. So here they have given month, means they have chosen MO. Now here this one we can say wind, WI we are going to write. Okay. Next, here we can choose MO again, moist, and here we can choose WI, with. Then here we can choose SY, symbol. Okay, these two you have to do, kids. It is simple only. What they are saying? Add W. So if I write W here, it will become will, well, wall, wool. Then add WH, when, why. Like that you have to add WH here. Understood? Okay. Now complete the following sentences using the clues given. Now kids, here I will be explaining you this, how to write this. Okay, please understand. My name is dash. What the clue is given? Write your name. So you have to write your name here. Okay, I have written my name here. My name is Maktoum. Now dash, I or we have to write any one word. Whenever we are writing, we should say I. I have a brother or sister. So dependent on yours family, you have to write this. I have a sister, so I have written sister here. If you have a brother, you can write brother. Okay. So if you are writing brother, you have to write his here. If you are writing sister, you have to write her. Her name is. So you are going to write your brother or sister name here. One day, if you are writing brother, you have to say he. If you are writing sister, you are going to say she. One day, she was crying. I, sorry, my father and mother were not at home. So, I took her to a circus. We saw many animals. My sister was very happy and she stopped crying. Understood? So there is small activity. You can make simple rakis using some small threads. Okay, kids? Now, you can color this Rosie's frock you can color. Okay? Say these words. You are my brother. I tie the Rakhi to you. Can you tell once again? You are my brother. I tie the Rakhi to you. You are my sister. I will help you. You are my sister. I will help you. Okay. So here kids you have to color Rosie's frock and you have to write the color names here. Okay. Whichever color you have used you have to write the names here. Understood? Now. So there is a one more small poem they have given. Let us read. Slice, slice, the bread looks nice. Spread, spread, butter on the bread. On the top, put the jam, so sweet. Now it's nice for me to eat. So bread and jam. Hope you like them. Yeah. Now let us go through the poem. So let us see the poem. Rakhi Day is the righteous day. This full moon day, our hearts are in brim. So full moon day is nothing but what? Shravana. Okay. We light the lamps and our hearts glow. So we light the lamps means what? Carrying the lamp on the plate. Yes. Sisters will tie the thread on the brothers. Yes or no? abiding them to do only what is right and clean. Put the kumkum and blessed rice on the head, where will dwell right thoughts and noble action. So यहाँ पर क्या बताया जा रहा है? So जब भी फुल मून डे रहता है तभी बहुत खुशी होती है कि we will be lighting the lamps and our hearts glow. Why? Sisters will tie the rakhi. To whom they will tie? To their brothers. So that tying rakhi will develop a bond between the sister and brother. Yes, and also it will, like, the brother in return, he will promise that he will protect her sister. Yes, then the sister will be put the kumkum and the blessed rice on the head of the brother. Okay, that shows the noble action. Okay, understood? So let us see some new words. Brim means full. So here I said hearts are in brim, hearts are in full. Glow means shining. Abiding means obeying. Okay. Dwell means reside or stay. Okay, kids. So let us fill in the right word. Our hearts are full to the brim this full moon day. The answer is what? Full moon day. We light the lamps and our hearts glow. So the answer here is lamps and glow. Okay. We do what is right and clean. So here right and clean. Okay. We put kumkum and blessed rice on the head. Next, what happens when we light the lamps? So for this, the answer is here. Our hearts will glow. That is the answer for the first question. Okay. Now, who ties the threads on whom? Sister ties the threads to their brothers. Okay. Now, here they have given three boxes. Okay. From each box they took one word. A farmer works in the field. Like that we have tried for others. I have written already. You can write in your textbook. Thus a soldier wears uniform. A singer sings songs. An electrician repairs lights. A pilot flies a plane. An actor acts in films. A musician plays music. Okay, now we have to match the pictures with their homes. Monkey lives in tree, bee lives in beehive, bird lives in nest, cow lives in shed, lion lives in den, horse lives in stable. Okay, so kids, remember these words: tree, nest, shed, den, stable, beehive. Okay, kids, so you have to practice these by writing these words here. Okay, this is like copywriting. Okay, so that you will improve your handwriting. Okay, what is this word? First, last, big, small. So kids, don't forget to write these. Okay, and also practice reading the lessons. Okay, so that completes this chapter. Okay, hope you understood the lesson. Okay, and the poem. Okay, then, so that completes the first lesson. I already shown the question answers also. Fill in the blanks, opposite words, all the things I have solved. Okay, the same thing I will be doing for all the units, all the lessons and poem. Okay, so see you in the next video with the next lesson. Till then, take care, kids. Don't go outside. be in home, be safe. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.